they already sort of gave me an idea that the character will turn dark, at some point. Ako naman, to be rule of thumb to me, the more conflict, the more interesting. Kasi soap opera to, and I enjoy playing bida kontra bida. I enjoy all of that. Wala sa akin, I'm not afraid of which I also teach the young actors. Huwag kayong matatakot na baka masira yung image nyo kasi acting to, make believe. Number two, don't be so concerned about looking good all the time. Kasi if your character demands for you to look madusing, then look madusing. Yung do not be hindered na kasi baka yung mga feedback ng if you are acting, that's why you're here. This is the acting business. So, ganun lang yun. And ako naman, I'm excited. I was talking to our big bosses nga here. Sabi ko, I hope they find more conflict. Kasi hindi lang yung mga bata-bata ang mga nag-aaway-away o nag-iinlaban. I hope that sila yung actually in the end of the story, sila yung makaka-save ng school. Kami yung mga magagawa ng mga conflict dito, whether it's corruption or whatever it is. And sila yung magbaband together to save the school or save the day. So, I hope, ganun ang mangyayari dyan.